In the heart of the medieval world, a culinary revolution was brewing, its roots deeply entwined with the explosive growth of the spice trade. Deep in the exotic lands of the East, spices like cinnamon, saffron, and pepper were the lifeblood of the ancient kingdoms. Merchants journeyed across treacherous landscapes to secure these precious commodities, their caravans laden with gold and precious gems. The spice trade, however, was not a one-way street. European kingdoms, eager for these exotic flavors, sent their own ships on perilous voyages to the east. These daring explorers braved storms, pirates, and treacherous seas, all in the pursuit of the spices that would transform their cuisine. The impact of this newfound culinary wealth was profound. A symphony of exotic flavors enlivened the monotonous European diet, transforming the dull, meagre fare into a vibrant feast for the senses. Royal banquets burst with the vibrant hues and tantalizing aromas of the East, a far cry from the humble fare of the common folk. The spice trade brought more than just flavor to the medieval table. It also brought a taste of the exotic, a touch of the unknown, and a sense of the mysterious. Spices like saffron, with its golden yellow hue, became a symbol of wealth and status, a status symbol that could be tasted as much as seen. The spice trade also played a crucial role in the expansion of European empires. The quest for spices fueled the voyages of discovery, leading to the age of exploration. The spice route was no longer a one-way street, but a two-way exchange that brought the East and West closer together. The spice trade, however, was not without its pitfalls. The high cost of spices made them a luxury reserved for the wealthy, a status symbol that further widened the gap between the rich and the poor. The demand for spices also led to exploitation and colonization, as European powers sought to control the sources of these valuable commodities. In the end, the spice trade left an indelible mark on the medieval world. It transformed the culinary landscape, bridged cultures, and fueled the ambitions of explorers and empires alike. But it also served as a stark reminder of the power of trade, the allure of the exotic, and the human desire for the rare and the unusual. The spice trade, in its grand scale and far-reaching impact, stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative power of trade. A simple spice, once a luxury reserved for the elite, became a common staple, a symbol of a world becoming smaller, and a taste of the exotic that continues to tantalize our senses today.